Dave Streen here with Edgy Tools, and I'm going to give you the finger, also known as the ding ring. It's the knockdown that you don't set down. Simply wear it on your finger, continue working as normal. When you're ready to knock down, give it a little flick. You're all set. Works great on any angle. You have great visibility, very stable. You can see exactly what you're doing. You can use it with your hand flat like I'm doing here, or you can give your fingers a little bend and use it like a fist to where you're tucked under. Okay? Again, any angle, you can see exactly what you're doing, very stable. So, you can even hear it click into place. It just feels fantastic when you're using it. You're laying down working up through a drainage hole or a bedside or something like that. It's also great when you're working hail on a roof. You just have it, give it a little flick, 90 degrees, and it locks into place really nicely and super stable. And you can have your hand flat. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can wear it flat, have your hand flat, or tuck it under, which gives you the greatest visibility out of any knockdown. So again, you're gonna strike it like that. Now, and then when you're done, just give it another little flick and it's out of the way. The other way you can wear it is, instead of on the side of your finger, wear it on the top of your finger. That's very comfortable also. And what you're going to do is just basically make a fist, but leave that finger out. So when you do that, you're knocking down. And again, you have just insane control and visibility. And the striker is longer than your finger will be high, so you can adjust for that. So, and then lastly is, it comes with an extra strap, which is longer, so if you have really wide fingers, no worry. Or if you want to wear it on your thumb, which the regular one will also work for that, but that also gives you tremendous visibility on the high spot. And again, give it a little flick and it's out of your way. Comfortable, you can keep working, whatever you're working. A fender, this would be great on. So that's the ding ring knockdown, also known as the finger. But wait, there's more. So there, you actually get 9 in 1. So if you can see, not sure, but it is mirror polished, so you can use it. If you like a metal knockdown, you're all set. But then you're also going to get 8 different tips and caps. On the caps, you're going to start with a clear silicone, which just slides right over, and that is the softest cap. It's known as 60 durometer. So you will not mark paint. You can get a nice soft knockdown for large crowns. As you go darker in color, so you have the white, and then you have the gray, so you have 60, 70, the gray is 80, and you're just going to knock down with that. And then the black is the hardest cap, which is 90 durometer. Okay, and so those are the caps, and that's neoprene, so that will hold up to heat better. And so we have silicone, rubber, neoprene, and I forget what the other one is, but they're all different firmness, different squishiness, if you will. You also get 4 different caps. There's 2 shapes, which are proven. They're basically, we took the rocket ship tip and the round gator tooth original tip and made them in 2 different materials. So these are the Black Magic material that's been so popular on all of our knockdown tips. And then we came up with a new white nylon, which is super soft. Yes, it will mushroom quicker, but they're cheap. You just throw them out. So the way these work is just like the caps, they're a pressure fit. So you stick it on there, you gain a little bit of length with them, which is nice also. And again, you use it just like any other knockdown, and when you want to switch it out, just pull it off. So that's the original round shape, and there is the rocket ship tape, also known as the pirate peg leg and the tiki. Same thing in our Black Magic, which is basically as hard as you can get a material that will not mar the paint. So just always make sure your panel's clean though, or anything will mar, get the dirt off. But then this is just a fantastic material, guys are loving that. So that's the setup there. You get basically 9 knockdowns. This is our special super steel, all 4 of the caps, and yeah, you can reorder whatever caps and tips. They'll be on the website. edgytools.com. And so that's the Ding Ring. So again, comfortable, however you want to wear it, whether it's on your finger, pointer finger, on the side, on your thumb, on the top. It's very versatile. It has great visibility, probably the best visibility of any high knockdown on the market, because your whole hand's out of the way when you use it. So that's the Ding Ring. Thanks. Bye.